Baby, if only you would know how much I fucking love you so. There's nothing I won't do for you. Oh baby, it's true, it's true.
Hey guys, and welcome to another Living Abroad Diaries. In today's video, I'm taking my first ever solo trip to Lisbon. I made sure that I included some recommendations, prices, and other information to help you guys plan your next trip to Lisbon as well. So stay tuned, and if you aren't subscribed already, please do so that you don't miss my weekly uploads.
He said that I could be your man. Nunca imaginé que podría.
So after 4 flights of stairs, I finally made it to the Airbnb. I look beyond a hot mess. I have these pimple patches on. Spain has been doing my skin dirty. Nonetheless, we are in Lisbon, Portugal. First stop was the market. I cannot wait to show you guys what I got. I'm about to go ahead and grab some food, make myself look a little more put together, but not too much because I'm hungry and I'm probably gonna spend the night just walking around. The rain just did me dirty. Anyway, I'm back in the B&B and I'm about to try the, I think it's called Pasteis de Nata. Let's open them up. I love how flaky the outer shell is. The middle filling, I don't like the texture. So it's throwing me off, but it's not horrible. So good morning guys, it is Sunday morning. Threw a little outfit together, threw some makeup on, and I'm headed out to brunch. Definitely a little nervous to go solo, especially because I want to take pictures. Today I don't really have too much planned. I just have thrifting on my itinerary, and then I was going to take a tour just around the city to look at different landmarks from a local. So that's what I have going on today. So let's go ahead to brunch. It is 10:38. I didn't do too bad. I have my Apple Watch, which is a lifesaver when traveling solo. That way I don't look lost when I'm putting directions in. I just have it showing up on my watch and I'm just playing it off. And then another key is popping your AirPod in when the directions are playing so you can follow it. But you like have to play it off, you know, you don't want to look like lost. So I am back from brunch, so showing you guys what I got from the market. I thrifted this cute purse for €5, guys. €5. In the purse I have these glasses which I got for €5. Got a magnet for €1. Got some jewelry and a wallet for really good prices. I got this gold ring. This stone, whatever, matching my nails, just did it for me, and it was €4. And then I got a music note heart ring for €4. Got my boyfriend a wallet. It looked really like good, had a lot of compartments. That was €15 because they claim it's genuine leather. Then I got this grandpa blazer. It is so cute, like it fits me in the cutest way, which I didn't think it would. She was selling it for $28, but I talked her down to $22. Love it. Got these pants which are giving like a 70s 80s vibes. They're high-waisted. They do look like they're going to be a little bit big for my waist, but that's no problem because we can wear them low rise. I got this jacket for €5. Super cute. Then I got this top. She was selling it for $18 and I talked her down to $15. Super cute. Really thick and stretchy. It gives 70s. It gives that 70s show. And it's vintage. So that is what I got from the market. I plan on thrifting while I'm out here in Lisbon. I've heard great things about Lisbon's thrift scene, so I will let you guys know what else I get. just met an angel. She showed me the directions because I would have been wandering aimlessly, but we made it. So I'm sure, as you guys can hear, it started pouring as soon as I made it back to the Airbnb. Today was a good thrift haul hunt. So let me show you guys what I picked up today. So the first thing I got was at the Anhos market, which honestly, I feel like that market is overpriced. Like a lot of the stuff was just overpriced. I just got these sunglasses. It was 12 euros. And they're like really wide 2KS, so I figured why not. So after that, I went to LX Market, and I specifically went there. Well, there's a whole bunch of restaurants and stuff, but they had a jazz record store upstairs, and I just could not resist. So I got me the Nina Simone Strange Fruit record, and then I got Billie Holiday, In My Solitude. I'm super excited about these because my future apartment is definitely gonna have a record player, and on weekends when I clean and cook, these will be playing. They did have a good selection there, but each of these were $14.95, so I ended up paying about 30 euros. Now at the thrift store, I got these pants, 3 euros, guys. They're just really good quality. They're a little bit oversized, but you know, that's the look nowadays. You know, that's what all the kids are doing. I got some low-rise jeans. I'm really happy because I've been looking for like truly low-rise, like 90s jeans. 3 euros as well, guys. So this is like really normally not my style at all. Like this is a skirt, but I'm going to Morocco for the new year, to Marrakesh, and I wanted to do like a lot of like long skirts, like modest but still cute. Some more pants. I forgot what these type of pants are called, but trousers. These fit perfectly, and they're really like good quality. Everything was 3 euros, so that made I paid 12 euros for these four in total. 12 euros. Literally, that's how much the glasses were. I'm supposed to be going to a few more thrift stores, but I just can't. Like, I can't shop right now. I think I'm gonna go to a museum, go get lunch, and then next door to the Airbnb is this so it's like cafe, but instead of coffee it's like wine, and it's right next door. So I think tonight what I'm gonna do is go try to work there, get some work done, and just chill, maybe walk around again today if it's not raining, and that's gonna be my day. I'm definitely not used to like trips that just are chill. Like the itinerary isn't boom boom boom, gotta go here, do this, I gotta see everything before I leave, you know. It's really relaxed, which is nice because I just have time to just stroll and enjoy the views and just take it in, and I just like it. So yeah, so far I've been enjoying my solo trip. Being solo isn't bad. I feel like Lisbon is definitely a solo friendly city personally.
Baby, if only you would know how much I fucking love you so. There's nothing I won't do for you. Oh baby, it's true, it's true, it's true, it's true, yeah.
Good morning, guys. So it is Monday morning, day 3 in Lisbon. It is a rainy day. It's supposed to rain all day, and I kind of have a free schedule for the most part, so I think I'm gonna go to a cafe and just take it easy today, kind of just see where my heart leads me again. And then tomorrow I finally booked a TukTuk tour. It's supposed to be nice outside tomorrow. So I'm gonna walk to Copenhagen Coffee Lab. It's supposed to have really good cinnamon buns, and it's only a 15-minute walk, so we're going to walk. From there we'll see where the day takes me. I definitely plan on just walking around today and just exploring. Honest, that museum was a little bit of a bore, but we're gonna go to the second part of this white building. cannot convince me this ain't the Golden Gate Bridge. Cute little shop. Back in. My goal was to do thrift shopping, vintage shopping. I noticed a lot of the vintage stores were overpriced here. I did not like the prices, so I didn't really vintage shop, but I just happened to see the diesel store. Guys, I wish I never walked by this store. I convinced myself because I was like, oh, I'm in Europe, I can get a tax-free receipt, so technically it wouldn't be the full price, but nonetheless I shouldn't have got them, but I did. So let me show you. Good morning, guys. It is currently around 11. I have my tour for 12. This is so awkward. There's a naked man in the window. Oh my gosh. Okay. The weather says it's about 60 degrees, so I decided to show a little skin today. Today we'll do some touristy things. I love Lisbon. I could definitely see myself living here. Like, after just being here for 4 days, I'm like, why didn't Lisbon have a teaching abroad program? Like, you know?